Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Lightspeed Zulu ANC headset. This is a premium aviation headset designed for pilots and aviation enthusiasts. And it comes with a lot of exciting features like active noise cancellation, Bluetooth connectivity, and exceptional audio quality. I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype, so let's get started and unbox this headset. So here is what in the box. You get menus and documentation right here, and then we're just going to take off that pre-flight checklist, so you can turn around and see the Zulu 3 pre-flight checklist. And then underneath is the headset packaging. It is packaged inside this black case. The black case feels very premium as well. It is strong and sturdy. So here we can open it. There is a Lightspeed logo at the front. So also have a strap right there that you can hold it to carry your case around. So here I'm going to unzip the case. The zip is also very good, high quality zip. It's very light to open it. And inside you will find the Lightspeed Zulu 3 headset. So the box inside the case, you get the headset itself, a carrying case, a charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and the wire is fixed to the headset right there. It is a braided wire. In here you also get two battery. So here we have two VINIC battery. We will need to use the battery with your headphone when you want to use the Bluetooth function. Once Bluetooth is turned on, you can stream your iPhone and your Android phone audio to the headset. Okay, let's examine the headset. The design is very sleek and modern. The materials feel high quality and headset is surprisingly lightweight. The ear cups are plush and comfortable, and the headset has a nice amount of padding. You can also readjust the headset to accommodate different head size, so you can readjust on both sides. The ANR controls are conveniently located on the ear cup, and the microphone boom feels sturdy and adjustable. I'm really impressed with the overall look and feel of this headset. It definitely has a premium vibe. You can see here the pads are very soft and plush. The big highlight of this headset is the advanced active noise reduction ANR technology. Lightspeed claims it can reduce ambient noise by up to 50%, which is pretty impressive. The headset also has Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls and music, as well as built-in intercom system for communicating with other pilots. It features a comfy design for long flight with plush ear seals and a lightweight frame. The audio quality is supposed to be exceptional, so I'm looking forward to testing that out as well. Now you can connect this headset with an Android phone or an iPhone via Bluetooth. So all you need to do is simply turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone or Android and then pair them together. Here is what it looks like when you wear them on your head. The left side, the right side, and your microphone. You can move your microphone easily up and down. And here, connecting to your Android or iPhone via Bluetooth is also a breeze. It's fairly easy to connect. Just press on the Bluetooth button on your headset and then go to your mobile device and connect to Lightspeed in the Bluetooth settings. And then you can play music from your mobile phone that will stream directly to your headset. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.